Hello, welcome back to Behind the Scenes at Technoset, where we give you a little bit of an insight into how things go here, the technology we use, and about our new investments. So one of the things that we've invested in this year is a brand new multitasking machine from DMG Mori, an NTX500, a machine I first saw at EMO 2 years ago. We went through a long project of qualifying the capability of the machine with our customer and with DMG Mori, some great support from the team there, and it's here. And just going to take a few moments just to catch up with Liam about the machine, what it gives us here at Technoset, and whether you like it, which I hope you do. So just tell us a little bit about the technology in the machine.
So it's got a Capto C4 holder, it's got 30,000 RPM spindle, B-axis, which I think is 120 degrees each way. It's got a Heimbuck collet system on it, so we can go 52mm through that bore. I think it's 70mm with a chuck on there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is a little bit different technology for us, isn't it? We've got, traditionally Technoset is fixed head, multi-turret, twin spindles for turning. The multitasking machine with the B-axis head gives us a couple of other things. Tool storage.
Yeah.
So what do we have on this?
76 tool holders.
76 tool holders. But one of them, crucially, can be a probe.
Tool probe, yeah.
Which is a great asset for you, isn't it? And then the B-axis head, although we can't machine on the front and the back spindle together, for the project that we're working on, it's not crucial. What are the crucial things on the project that this machine has really delivered for us?
Accuracy, 100% accuracy.
So the job that we've got on the machine is a long running job, and we have to hold true position to it's within microns. However, we have lots of ways of measuring that with our customers, and you see it's repeatable, it's working.
Yeah, once it's started running, keep it running, and true positions are really good. So
really good, and we don't see many fluctuations. Where we used to make this on a sliding head before, didn't we? And oil temperature had a real impact as it got warmer through the day and so on. But this NTX machine's stable.
Yeah. And we've got a coolant chiller on this as well, so
brilliant.
Keeps temperatures the same.
Yeah. And the control, the maps, CLOS control, you like that? Touch screens a little bit more.
Yeah.
In line with what you see.
Bigger keyboard as well, so.
Nice and easy to program.
Yeah, really easy.
Because typically Liam is our machining centre, loves Siemens. You've got some experience over on the Fanuc and the Mitsubishi controls on the Citizen, but this was a new control interface for you.
Yeah, it's a nice control. It's sort of similar to Siemens in some ways.
That's the CLOS background, though, gives you that background.
It's quite easy to program. It looks quite scary, but it's not that bad once you get used to it.
So we've got a long-term running project on the machine, which is great. But do you see the machine gives us some versatility for lots of other parts that we could put through here? Yeah. And the capability of the B-axis, full simultaneous head, 30,000 RPM milling spindle. I bet you're looking forward to putting that through its paces as well.
Yeah, you can put pretty much anything on there, as long as it's the right size. It's machine in one, pretty much. It's done.
And it's quite interesting, isn't it? Because sometimes you might look at a part and think, oh, you need to put that through a 5-axis mill, but actually you could do it on here. And bar feed it, which would give you
lots
better
of complex milling, accuracy as well for any complex stuff. Yeah, it's just
great machine then.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Well, I hope that gives you a little bit of an insight into our most recent investment. Thanks for your time.